Hello guys, welcome to Buy Tech. Here you can find the most essential techs and tech products that you will buy. We can assure that your buy should be worth. For that, do subscribe our exclusive channel Buy Tech, and today's video is about
The features of Realme wireless earbuds. Here's a summary of the highlighted features. 360-degree spatial audio effect. This feature provides an immersive sound experience, allowing you to hear sound in a more dynamic and three-dimensional space. Dual device connection. The earbuds can connect to two devices simultaneously, making it easier to switch between, for example, your phone and laptop. 40 hours of total playback. The earbuds offer a total of 40 hours of playback, which likely includes both the charge in the earbuds and the additional charge provided by the case. Adjustable three-level noise reduction. The noise-canceling feature can be adjusted across three levels, allowing you to customize the amount of noise isolation based on your environment. 45 millisecond ultra-low latency. With ultra-low latency of 45 milliseconds, these earbuds are ideal for gaming and other activities where audio lag needs to be minimized. AI deep call noise cancellation. Artificial intelligence is used to enhance call quality by reducing background noise during calls, making your voice clearer for the listener. These features cater to users looking for versatile, high-performance wireless earbuds with strong audio quality, noise cancellation, and multi-device support. Hope this video helps you to choose a best product. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye-bye.